The only 5 exercises you need for knee pain, ages 50 plus. Does your knee ache when you stand, climb stairs, or even take a walk around the block? You might think knee pain is just part of getting older, but the truth is, it doesn't have to be. With just 5 simple exercises, you can relieve pain, strengthen your knees, and move with confidence again. Hi friends! If you're over 50 and struggling with stiff, achy, or weak knees, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through 5 science-backed exercises that can help reduce pain, rebuild strength, and protect your knees for the long run. No gym, no fancy equipment required. Exercise 1. Straight leg raise. Let's start with a gentle yet powerful move, the straight leg raise. This exercise strengthens your quadriceps, the large muscles in the front of your thighs, which support your knees and take pressure off the joint. Here's how. Lie flat on your back, with one leg bent and the other straight. Tighten the thigh muscle of the straight leg and lift it about 12 inches off the ground. Hold for 5 seconds, then lower slowly. Do 10 to 12 reps per leg, 2 to 3 sets daily. If it feels too easy, you can add light ankle weights. The goal is slow, controlled movement. Don't swing your leg up or drop it quickly. Straight leg raises not only strengthen your knees, but also improve stability, helping you move more freely without pain. Exercise 2. Wall squats. Next, the wall squat, a joint-friendly way to build lower body endurance. Unlike deep squats, wall squats protect your knees by keeping pressure evenly distributed. Here's how. Stand with your back against a wall and your feet shoulder-width apart. Slide down until your knees are bent at about 45 to 60 degrees, never past your toes. Hold this position for 10 to 20 seconds, then slowly rise back up. Repeat 5 to 8 times, resting between sets. This move strengthens your thighs, hips, and glutes, all essential for knee stability. Over time, you'll notice you can sit, climb, and bend your knees without wincing. For extra comfort, place a pillow behind your back and keep your movement smooth. Exercise 3. Step-ups. Now, let's add movement with step-ups, one of the best functional exercises for healthy knees. You'll need a low step or sturdy platform. Step up with your right foot, then bring your left foot up to meet it. Step back down with the right foot first, then the left. Repeat 10 times per leg. Keep your chest lifted and use your leg muscles, not momentum, to step up. This mimics real-life movements like climbing stairs and builds balance, strength, and control. If you're new to it, use a handrail or wall for support until you gain confidence. Exercise 4. Hamstring curl. Next, we're targeting the back of your thighs with hamstring curls. Strong hamstrings support your knees and prevent strain. Here's how. Stand tall, holding onto a chair or wall for balance. Bend one knee, bringing your heel toward your buttocks. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then slowly lower. Do 10 to 12 reps per leg, 2 to 3 sets. When it gets easier, try adding a light ankle weight or resistance band. Hamstring curls also improve joint flexibility, making everyday activities, like walking or getting out of a chair, smoother and less painful. Exercise 5. Calf raises. Lastly, let's not forget the calves. Calf raises strengthen your lower legs, which help absorb impact and reduce knee stress. Stand tall, holding onto a chair for support. Slowly raise your heels until you're standing on your toes. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower back down. Repeat for 15 to 20 reps, 2 to 3 sets daily. As you get stronger, try balancing without holding on or doing one leg at a time. Calf raises improve circulation, stability, and lower body coordination, all crucial for knee longevity. There you have it. The only 5 exercises you truly need to ease knee pain and stay strong after 50. Start slow, focus on control, and stay consistent. Within weeks, you'll feel your knees growing more stable, flexible, and pain-free. Remember, movement heals, but the right movement transforms. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more age-strong fitness tips, and comment below. Which exercise felt best for your knees today? Keep moving, keep thriving, you've got this. Stay strong, steady, and pain-free every day.